Hi, this is Galen here. Today, I'm going to introduce our comprehensive OEE solution. The first one is WISE4051. It is a versatile 8-channel digital input I/O module designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing systems. For example, integration with a machine is achievable by monitoring the I/O status, including detecting operational stop and error state. When the machine lacks access to I/O port, an alternative option is to connect it to our tower light sensor WISE S100A, which is designed to fit a variety of light towers. With this sensor detecting different color signals from the tower light, it will allow for quick recognition of machine status, production phases, or any other important notifications. Then, the ECU1251 serves as a crucial component for data collection from our I/O modules and processing. This gateway is RISC-based and features a Cortex-A8 processor. It offers up to 4 RS-232, 485 serial port and 2 Ethernet ports. Subsequently, all collected data will be transferred to our OEE platform. It is a comprehensive software solution that empowers you with machine real-time monitoring, production reporting, historical data analysis, and user access control through a well-defined visual dashboard. If your goal is to boost productivity, reduce downtime, and maximize profit, contact us through email and we'll be here to assist you.